Hi everyone! Welcome to the TaxTron Student Web training tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to complete a T2 corporate tax training exercise in TaxTron Web, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign into your TaxTron Student Web account. Once you've logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Before you begin, make sure your profile is complete. If you haven't completed your profile yet, please do so before starting the training exercise. If you need help, we have included a profile setup tutorial in the video description below. Follow that guide to complete your profile. Now, from the top right corner, click on Exercises. This is where you'll find all the available training cases. Now, on the exercise page on this page, you'll find several options to customize your training exercise. First, select the tax year for your exercise. Next, choose the difficulty level, Level 1, Level 2, or Level 3. Then, select the exercise case from the drop-down list. Once your selections are complete, the Download PDF button will appear. Click Download PDF to open the exercise instructions. The PDF contains all the information you'll need to prepare the corporate tax return, including the company's financial statements, supporting schedules, and additional case details. Take a few moments to review the instructions before continuing. Now return to TaxTron Web. From the home screen, click New Client. Select Corporation T2 as the client type. Next, enter the corporation's information exactly as provided in the exercise PDF. Be sure to carefully enter details such as corporation name, business number, incorporation date, fiscal year start and end dates, business address, industry information. Accuracy at this stage is important to ensure the exercise matches the expected answers. Once you've completed the client information, save the file. The corporation will now appear under My T2 Clients. Open the client to begin preparing the corporate tax return. Now click Start Exercise. Select the same tax year, difficulty level, and exercise case that you selected when downloading the PDF. It is very important that these selections match exactly. If they don't, your answers may not be compared correctly during the review process. If you've already downloaded the exercise PDF previously, there's no need to download it again. However, you can always download another copy if needed. Click Start to begin the exercise. Follow the instructions in the PDF and complete the T2 return by entering the required information into the appropriate schedules and forms. Some exercise cases may include additional learning resources. Within the exercise PDF, you may find a video link section containing a YouTube tutorial related to that specific case. If available, click the link to watch the walkthrough before or during the exercise. These videos are designed to help you better understand the concepts being covered. Once you've completed the corporate tax return, navigate to the Review and File section from the left navigation menu. Under Exercise Results, click Check Answer. This feature compares your completed return with the expected solution. Any incorrect answers will be highlighted in red, making it easy to identify areas that need correction. For many questions, you'll also find jump codes. These allow you to quickly navigate to the relevant schedule or section of the return. Additional explanations are also provided to help you understand why a particular answer is correct. These resources are designed to improve both your technical knowledge and your familiarity with corporate tax preparation. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the T2 training exercise. You can repeat this process with additional cases to strengthen your corporate tax preparation skills and gain more hands-on experience. That's all. Thank you for watching.